All right, so today we're going to solve one-step addition and subtraction problems. The way that I'm going to read my problem is as follows. I'm going to go one sentence at a time and try to see what information I need from each of those sentences. For example, says Raul had some money in his wallet. Do I know how much money he has? No. If he had some money in his wallet, I don't know how much money Raul has. So I'm to represent that with a question mark because I don't know how much money that is. And you should not be writing. You should be paying attention to me. Okay. Is the unknown. I don't know how much money he has. I'm done with my first sentence. I'm going to move on to my next sentence. It says, he bought a pair of shoes for $65. There is a period. I'm going to stop. What did he spend?
Pair of shoes.
How much were the pair of shoes?
$65.
Okay. So, his shoes were $65. That's pulling my information out. I'm done with that sentence. I'm going to move on to the next sentence. He also bought a t-shirt for $28. Period. I'm going to stop. What did he buy? A t-shirt. And the t-shirt cost? $28. So the t-shirt was $28. Okay. Next sentence. If he spent all his money, how much money did he have at the beginning? How much money he had at the beginning? So I'm looking for what? Am I looking for my parts or am I looking for my total? Devian. I don't tell me what to do. What am I looking for? Am I looking for my part or am I looking for the total? I need to know the total. So I need to know how much he had at the beginning. So I need to know my total. Okay. That is my information from the problem. Next, with my information, now I'm going to build my model. I'm gonna build a model, kind of like the same thing that we do with our place value. Okay. I don't know how much money he had at the beginning, so I don't know my total. Remember, the one on top is your total. I don't know my total, but I do know my parts, right? He bought a shirt for $65 and a t-shirt for $28. Okay, so I'm gonna cut my bottom in two parts. The smaller one will become my t-shirt because it's a smaller number, $28. And the bigger one will be for the pair of shoes that was $65. Looking at my number, looking at my model, from here I can see what is it that I need to do to find the total. What can I do with my both parts to figure out my total? I would need to add. I would need to put these two together, how much money he had. This is my model, and after my model, I'm going to write my equation. I know that to figure out the total, I need to add my parts, which is 28 plus 65. So from here, this is my equation. From here, I'm just going to write. And one thing, please, every time you add or subtract, remember you always write the biggest number on top when you do your addition or subtraction. So I'm going to say 65 plus 28. From here, let's see if we remember. 5 plus 8. No, 5 plus 3, 8 is not 3. It's 13. Remember, you put the ones place, the 3, and you carry the 1 in the tens place, right? Because 13 is 10 plus 3. So the 3 will go in the ones place, and the 1 goes in the tens place. 1 plus 6,
Equals
7 plus 2, 9. 93. $93. So I'm going to write that in a sentence. He had $93 in his wallet.